to show you my easy video maker. Decided to do that. Takes a little bit. Just give it a second. Alright. Let's hit now. And I noticed something down here. I'm going to start downloading Creative Commons sound effects. Right here. Audio. The audio won't show on the screen. So when you put something right here, you'll only be able to just hear the sound. And I got thinking about it. Let's see if we can find something just real quick. Alright, I just throw this on there. Alright, so instead of putting it on my background overlay, check it out. Let's put it on sound instead. See, you can do it with video, so you can make like a music video as long as they don't show. So you can probably hear me talking on there.
Well, it looks like I can
Hear me
keep an eye
talking?
on the world and
Whoops. Anyways, you hear me talking.
well, it looks like I can keep an eye on the world and do a lot of surveillance, you know, keep crime down.
Here's your
and use
background,
my
and here's your.
electronics and my cybernetic brain.
This
you
is
know,
what we'll be seeing.
That's worth celebrating. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. I was checking that out. So it's back out of here. Let's go to YouTube for a second. Try to do this as fast as possible. And then when you go on your YouTube, you should have a, I think everybody has it. Upload right here. I'm gonna go on my upload. Go down here to a video editor. It brings me here. It's a little laggy because this is all the stuff I've downloaded off these Creative Commons things. I just typed in the sound effects. Yeah, that's what I got. See? Let's check this one out. See what I'm getting at now? I could put these on there. I wonder if you're gonna be able to see these pictures at all, but I'll be able to use these sounds. See one here, dinosaurs or whatever. See? These pictures won't even be shown. How about this one? Now you can start having some real creepy stuff here. Back out of here for a second. Something else I wanted to show you if I can real quick. I said screw it. I'm gonna show you guys how to cheat. You know, those editors that require money. And you need to let's put this right here. That right there. Anyways, it requires money, and people don't have a lot of time and money to put into this stuff. Right? That's the green screen. I'm just gonna throw this up there real quick. Alright. Good deal. Right click and go to green screen. Let's just hit OK. See how that's on there? Alright. Now you see this thing right here? The ice cream recorder? Well, see, I'm recording the whole screen right now. Is what I'm doing. But when I hit the ice cream recorder, and then, it asks me, what I want to film. See this little trim right here? So after you put your stuff in, so you press, you hold down left button all the way here to this one, and then slide it down to this one, and then widen out the screen like this. See, as long as you not inside that black, and it will have the same effect as like when I show you guys my videos on Facebook. You can't really tell, can you? Right? But you avoid the watermarks. And on my computer, it's a little laggy because it's a laptop. So, but on a real good computer, you can probably get away with this, and it won't even make a difference. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's how you get away with it. Some people say, like go to buy it, and then you back out real quick, come back in, and then you can do it, and you can upload it or whatever like that. But you have to do it like a lot, and it's not. It sounds like a lot of hassle to go through. But yeah, I just hit record. And it just tells me how much of the screen, like I'm doing it here, I want. I just hold down that button. Actually, you can just probably go from here, hold down on it, and drag it right here to this corner. Fill up this part of the screen. Right? Then you hit record. Then you hit record, then you hit play. When it goes 1, 2, 3, and then wait a few seconds. Then hit play. Matter of fact, you're probably going to see it anyways. See? I'll just let it play for a little bit. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Alright? Now this is Filmora. Alright, so I'm just going to stop it right there. Figured I'd show you guys. Shh. Real secret about this stuff now. Alright, let's stop it. Thanks for watching my videos, guys.